So we're putting down these boards, laying them on top of the deck here, screwing them down to it so they don't move, and drilling the holes and marking them out so we have it just exactly how it was.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
We'll take these, cut them out, and lay them down just like this on our new framework. Had to get his help to get them down. Me and Jared put them up there. And had to get help to get them down, but now we're screwing them down. Let's see. And so those are exactly where they need to be, which is very critical because you can't even see in that pocket to see where these are going to be. So this is a kind of a big, well planned out ordeal here. Got our pieces cleaned up here. Piece of exhaust tubing, our flange off the stock flange off the tank, stock flange off the tank, and then that just gets our little piece to go underneath the floor there. Do a final check fit. Shoo! Nailed it like Ron Jeremy. So that's our little piece. There's one major problem with it. It's not painted black. Alright, got our door jambs cut in, wheel wells, fuel, our door on the driver's side, which the doors on the driver and passenger side of the rear of the Airport Limo that we're mimicking this off of, these doors didn't line up. This door was 4 inches forward, so that means that even this door jamb on this side, we were hoping to be able to just bolt the rear body down and the door jamb would land where it was, but now we have to cut that one out too and move it 4 inches. Should have them all positioned now. This is pretty much how it was done originally, you know, minus a few details that some better. The only thing that would have been nice that they did was they used one piece of wood, but I don't think anybody sells a 20-foot piece of plywood or whatever this is, 20 foot by 5 or 6 foot wide. Anyways, yeah, happy with it, you know, a lot of work. I'm sweating. Okay, we got all our pieces cut out here, our framework all ready. So I'm going to put down some plastic over this, flip these all over, and so we can paint the bottom sides with I think it's a polyurethane, kind of clear, just to kind of seal it up from the elements a little bit. Amazingly, you saw how the old plywood lasted under the old body here, so we should be good to go with this, using the plywood again. Good for sound deadening, heat. I don't really see any downside of using it. Got my painter's plastic here so it doesn't drip through all onto everything. And we'll get this covered, and let's get to getting. Okay, we got the bottom side painted for polyurethane, and now I flipped it over to do the top. It says to wait 24 hours. I put 3 coats on the other side, but I'm not gonna wait 24 hours for that shit to dry. So I flipped them over while they're still sticky. I'm just gonna do the top here so I can get that 3 coats on the top and then get on with it. There she is, all screwed down, and 3rd coat of polyurethane. Body mounts are snug down, had to get different longer bolts for it, for the wood, but she's all together. Gave little accesses for the fuel cinder and the fuel gauge. I don't know if we'll use them, but I wanted to put them there just in case we want to use them. You can drop the tanks down, but you know, that's a thing too. So I'm going to get out of here and get out of the fumes.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job,